Asphalt shingles cover more homes in America than any other roofing material. And in Tucson, choosing the right grade and underlayment is the difference between a 15-year roof and a 30-year one. Tucson's combination of brutal UV, monsoon rain, and extreme temperature swings demands shingles rated for this climate, not the cheapest option at the local supply house. DC Roofing of Arizona installs architectural-grade shingles with proper underlayment, ventilation, and flashing. Everything that determines how long your roof actually lasts. David Contreras has been installing shingle roofs across Tucson since 2011 and works with top-rated systems from Owens Corning, and CertainTeed. We serve flowing wells, North Oracle, Midtown, and shingle-roofed neighborhoods throughout the Tucson area. 4.8 stars, written warranty on every installation, and 500 completed roofs across southern Arizona. Call DC Roofing of Arizona today for your free shingle roofing estimate in Tucson.